Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for the second part of the update today. And it was pretty clear on the 4-hour time frame when I did make this descending broadening wedge, and I was talking about the possibility of actually breaking to the upside as well. Now I'm on the 1-hour time frame, and it seems so that you've already broken out of a broadening descending wedge. But the question is this gonna be a fake out, or is this gonna be a real breakout? And I'm still skeptical about it. I'm still in a little bit of a doubt about it because there's a lot of problems with Bitcoin, as I spoke in today's video, and how the war is also going on. So technically you're not still in a good position to say that, oh, Bitcoin is recovering. No, not at all, not at all. Even if it does go to like nearly 40,000, which is the technical target of this broadening descending wedge. And that's the reason why I say go to tradingview.com, draw the charts. Okay, when you draw the charts, they tell you the story. People say that technical analysts on YouTube, they say, oh, it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. It is what it is. It's like, not us, but basically that's just how it is in the books as well. If you're gonna break a particular resistance, then why are we gonna say you're gonna go down? And if you're gonna be hitting your head in the resistance, then you're gonna go down. It's simple put. Now you broke the resistance. The next question comes in: is this a fake out? And there's something that I want to tell you, that be careful with this breakout. And it could be a valid one, but to make a valid breakout, you have to backtest it. So come down to the 37,900, backtest this yellow line, because when you broke out of it, you haven't backtested it just yet. You've just been going to the upside. And when you backtest, there are two scenarios, and there's always going to be two scenarios. Okay, number one scenario is a fake out. Number two scenario is actually a successful backtest, and that's what you want, for it to go back to 41,167. That's where you're going to go, and that's where you're looking to go, at least for that target. But I'm going to tell you number two scenario. I've already talked about the back testing, right? So let me talk about the second scenario that you have to consider. Now for that one, let me remove the lines in here, and where you just reach, there is a particular resistance right there. Do you remember this consolidation box that I was talking about? Nearly this consolidation box right there. This is a resistance in here, and you can find a double top. Okay, yes, there's a descending broadening wedge, right? This is in play. But now if you start to hit your head, let me actually bring back those lines once again, the descending broadening wedge. If you actually make a fake out and go down, aren't you just putting a double top, first top, second top, a bearish pattern, and a big fake out to make people? Because when you say, oh yeah, the green candles came in, we're gonna go back to 41,067, 167, that's known as a confirmation bias. Okay, you're just telling yourself it could go there. You can even ignore the back test, but it's really important, because if you want to be a good trader, you have to wait for a confirmation. Good traders, they don't just jump into the green candles all of a sudden. You have to wait for a confirmation. It backtest things, then go to the upside, right? Even if it doesn't backtest and the prices move and you just didn't take the trade, don't chase the prices. If the opportunity is gone, it's gone. That's just what I do, and that's just my own belief, and that's where you put yourself into safety. At least you're confirming something, and you cannot go broke for confirming and sitting on the sideways. Your money's still safe, and keep your money safe, because you can enter at any time. There's no issues in entering. It's just one click button, but you have to put the logic inside there. So that's the only quick update I want to bring with Bitcoin. Now the good news is the break of this descending broadening wedge is done. The second part of it, the back test. The back test, is it gonna be a fake out? Because if it is, then you're just putting in a double top within a descending broad. Even it's not it's this descending broadening wedge is gonna be a lengthy one, a continued one. Make a fake out and then dump to the downside. Simple. So be very careful. Otherwise, it back tests this one, and then it's okay. You go to this area right there, and that's just how it's gonna be. That's just how it's gonna be working on the chart. And that's it for this quick update. I'm gonna see you in the next detailed one. Allah Hafiz.